When you receive your Hygeia Pro breast pump, you should have the following components: breast pump, tubing with tubing adapter, adapter caps, diaphragms, flanges, valves, milk storage containers, locking rings and discs to store the breast milk after you pump, and the power adapter. When assembling the breast pump, start by gently pushing the valve onto the ring on the bottom of the breast flange. Tighten the milk storage container onto the bottom of the flange. Insert the diaphragm into the top of the flange. Then snap the adapter cap by pressing it onto the top of the flange until you hear a pop. Once that's completed, you connect the tubing adapter into the hole on the side of the pump. For a single pumping experience, place the plug over one of the tubing adapters. For a double pumping experience, connect both tubes to the tubing adapter. The pump is now assembled and you are ready to begin your pumping experience. Now it's time to turn on the pump. When using your pump for the first time, please make sure the pump is either plugged into an outlet or has been charged for 2.5 hours in order to use the cordless feature. Once your pump has been charged, you can use the cordless feature without having to be plugged into an outlet. You will start in the Stimulation Mode, which has 6 different levels. This mode is designed to stimulate your milk production and has faster cycles and lower suction. After 2 minutes, the pump will automatically switch to Expression Mode unless you manually adjust beforehand. To manually adjust, simply press the Mode button. Once in Expression Mode, there are 12 different levels to choose from. This mode will have higher suction to express milk more gently and effectively. Start with the lowest setting and gradually increase to the maximum level where you feel comfortable. Once your pumping session is over, you press the power button to turn off your pump.